Hey guys, I'm back to do some more street scrapping. My daughter tells me about an area near her that's fresh. People are just starting to put stuff out, so this is a good sign. And I'm not going to use the GoPro today. I'm going to get my daughter to film with my old phone. So I'll show you what we're looking at. There's rubbish everywhere. Turn up here. All these streets, because it's fresh, there's still some houses that don't have anything, but that's good. You've got to be early to get the good stuff. I've got to concentrate on driving, so I'll pass the phone over.
This one house.
You go left here. All along the main road, I see rubbish.
I think it's back on the main drag.
Oh. Both sides.
And apparently the side alleys.
And I didn't bring my cutters with me. Can you believe that? I just realised I didn't have cutters with me. And I forgot to bring my cutters with me. All I've got is this fold up pair of pliers. I might be able to cut some cord. If I don't have any luck with this, I'm going to have to go to the hardware store and buy a pair. I even got the kitchen sink. This area is either too early and there's not much out, or too late and the cord cutters have already been. But I missed this one, so I'll have it. I'm not going to take the TV because I've got too many at home already. I don't really think you get much on them. I'll just use TVs as a last resort. But I've got a lot of stuff to get through, so I'll leave that there.
Whipper snipper?
Yeah, nothing in there. 5 seconds. Not many cords out. No computers.
Another table.
Yeah, the table's all very good. Let's have a look up here.
Don't know.
Cords there, no?
Nice good bed.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Jesus, look at that house, it's like Fort Knox.
It's a bit rude that they just throw rubbish out. A lot of nice big piles. Surely there's something here. There has to be something here, surely. Unbelievable. There's good stuff with all the cord cutters been. It's just like rubber hose, some sort of tubing. Scrapped out already.
That's a decent cord.
DVD player, I'll take that. Cords. What else is there? That's it, some boxes. Ah, take this. Cool.
YouTube channel.
Another cord.
I did make out 1, 2. A pull. A pull.
Missed one there. Oh, what have we got here?
Cords here, there.
Nice.
Quite a few here.
There's a big TV. Can't believe I forgot my cutters.
Just one on these two.
See, I didn't bring my drill. If I'd brought my drill, I could have got a cutting out of this. Can't believe that. I love doing rear projection TVs. You hardly ever see them anymore. And there's one here and I can't do it. I was so busy getting my GoPro sorted and I forgot to bring the tools. Oh yeah, DVD player, old VHS recorder, take that. More when I asked Nadine if she wants to come over because there's all this candle stuff here. This DVD, look at that. What's this?
Speaker.
Look at that.
Looks like rubbish for the rest of it. There's a cord over here, Dad, on the microwave.
There's a heat in there too.
Yeah.
I'll come and get it. We're not really finding anything good, it's just all cords. I mean, cords are good, but no computers, got a couple of DVD players. Hopefully we'll get something better.
Cars down there. Is that a whole pile of cords there? full of goodies.
Can't see. Better.
More cords.
There's more on the floor too,
Where?
under that blanket.
Somewhere. I don't know how I missed this PC. So I was moving everything around and totally missed the PC. Oh. Just found some more jewellery and a vase with gold around the top of it. So we think we might be at a deceased estate, because there's all these items getting thrown out that the average person wouldn't throw. And there's a watch there. See the watch? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So that might be gold. I'll have to have a look at that later. This is a good pile. I have that cord there. Yeah, I have that. Thank you. It's always good to find jewellery. So, we're just about to pack up and go home when then we came across this pile, so that's a really good way to end it. If we see anything else, anything interesting, I'll film it, but if not, this will be the end of this video. Hope you didn't get too bored. Thanks for watching, and I've got more videos coming very soon. See you on the next one. Bye. Someone's trying to get through.
Some cords in there, and there's some down the front here.
There's cords in here.
There's one hanging out just there. There's an air fryer back here. And there's a pile down the front here of cords. Another modem there.
Oh, nice. I like modems. I don't know what that is. It's probably a mobile, portable CD player or something.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. Well, we were going to stop half an hour ago, and we just keep finding more and more houses with cords. And then this here looks like a 3D printer or something. All these cords chucked out. More cords there. So I've got to pull all these apart, get the cords off them. I've never seen a 3D printer before. Look how nice the wire is in there. Let's see if I can get those out. Yeah. Easy. Alright, so I'm going to cut all those off and pick up all those wires down there. Nice. Well, we really do need to get going, but we keep finding good stuff. I know that these compressors are worth money, but they're also really, really heavy, and I've got a bad back. What I've done is I've taken the copper, a nice copper piece there, nice copper piece here, and a whole pile of cords and wiring up on top of the fridge. I'll show you in a second. Was, I don't know, some sort of power unit for the fridge, and all these wires were sticking out of it. So I chopped what I could up here. They were all looped across here, so I chopped them off best I could, and got more cords to go over there yet. I just keep finding more stuff. Yeah, sorry guys, when I was editing this video, I seem to have lost the last frame saying goodbye, we're going to pack up, go home, all that sort of thing. I've no idea where it's gone. I've looked on my GoPro, looked on my phone, I don't know, can't find it. So this is the end of this video. There is more street scrapping to come, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.